Chung Chia-Pin, Chinese, born February 23, 1965, is a Taiwanese politician. He served on the National Assembly from 1996 to 2000. He was elected to the Legislative Yuan in 2016. Chung received his primary and secondary education from schools in his native Pingtung County. He then earned a bachelor's degree in history from National Taiwan University. He was active as a student activist in the 1980s and helped lead the Wild Lily movement of 1990. Chung later earned a Master's of Science degree from National Pingtung University of Science and Technology. Chung was elected to the National Assembly in 1996 and served until 2000. During Su Chia-Chuan's tenure as Pingtung County Magistrate, Chung worked for Su as a secretary. Later, Chung worked for the Council for Cultural Affairs under Chairwoman Chen Yuchu. Chung has also served the Democratic Progressive Party as Deputy Secretary General under Jiang Chuan-sung. In this position, he acted as spokesman for the party in the 2004 legislative elections, and offered to resign after the Pan-Green coalition failed to win a majority. He joined the People's Sovereignty Action Network and protested the 2010 signing of the Economic Cooperation Framework Agreement. By 2012, Chung had been named Deputy Magistrate of Pingtung under Cao Chi-hung. Chung acted as Pingtung County government spokesman during the 2014 Taiwan food scandal, accusing the Ministry of Health and Welfare of setting up Pingtung in a leak of confidential information to Ting HSIN International Group, one of the companies involved in the food scare. He ran for a Pingtung County legislative seat in 2016 and won. In May 2016, Chung became one of the first 10 legislators to support an amendment to the Act of Gender Equality in Employment intended to lengthen the period of maternity leave given to partners of unmarried women. Later that month, he was named the founding chairman of 2 legislative groups intended to further Taiwan's relations with European nations. In May 2017, Chung founded the Renewable Power Promotion Alliance alongside fellow legislators Chen Manli, Su Chi-Pin, and Yang Hao. Chung has expressed support for the maintenance of military dependence villages and asked both the Ministries of Education and National Defense to help retired military instructors find jobs. He has also attempted to lift legal restrictions on foreign workers in Taiwan. With regards to transportation, Chung preferred that Taiwan's fuel tax be calculated as a function of distance driven. In the field of education, he has opposed forcing private educational institutions in Taiwan to publicize financial expenditures. Following a 2017 Constitutional Court ruling on the status of same-sex marriage in Taiwan, Chung stated, "We do not think people in China are seeking different values than people in Taiwan. It is the result of a different political system and democratic practices over the years." References